Hello, my name is Diogo and today I'll be talking about stress management. In this presentation I will talk about the motives of stress, the types of stress, and the importance of family and consumer sciences. The article that I chose to use in my paper is Stress Management Through the Lens of Family and Consumer Sciences by Michaela Ritter, Jake Andaya, and Diana Saiki. This article is relevant to my topic because it explains the origins of stress and gives strategies to prevent it or at least reduce it. Starting with the motives of stress, as we can see in the picture, the most common reason of stress is money with 66%, followed by lack of personal realization with 65%, health problems with 60%, and work issues with 58%. The FCS professionals can help with several different strategies for all types of stress. They will identify effective stress management strategies that can be meditation or even running to very distinct activities. The information I feel it's important from the article is the connection between health and stress. As you can see in the graph, anger, fatigue, sadness, or headaches are symptoms that express themselves quite often on adults with poor health. Stress can be fought with the development of physical health, emotional well-being, and spiritual renewal. There are four different types of stress. The two good ones are the chronic eustress and the acute eustress, and the two bad ones are the acute distress and the chronic distress. From this article, I learned that our health status can affect directly our stress levels. Stress can be relieved with physical activity, which is something that we learn in class. The most interesting piece of information of the article is the science that is dedicated to the study of stress. FCS professionals make a difference in many lives and help with the relief of stress. They can identify what someone is going through and suggest many different strategies to improve their mental status through teaching, research, and service. After this paper, I will incorporate more exercises like yoga or outside running in my routine. These types of workouts are good for the relief of stress and also serve the same purpose as other exercises. I will ask for help if needed to FCS professionals. To end, despite the origins or motives of stress, everyone has stress in their lives. Asking for help is no problem and much less a reason to be ashamed of. FCS professionals are always available to help, and they provide good strategies that can improve our mental health and will consequently change our life for the better.